Wow, I love mini stuff right now. Oh my god, I like it. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's my third video for this year. I'm really excited to do this. It's because this is one of my favorite things that I do on my channel is unboxing and also the reviewing. Right now we're doing unboxing from Rihanna. I got this. This is one of her limited edition new products. I haven't seen inside. I just saw it online. When I got it, I just decided to do the video today. It's because I've been so lazy, guys, and I think it's my, you know, my day. Women's knows about that. So you get so lazy, you get so cranky, you get so crave a lot of things. But I'm so surprised I haven't craved like chocolate. Usually I crave like chocolate, pastry. But anyway, guys, I'm just telling you guys all my craving. But here you go. We're gonna open this one now. I'm gonna look for my scissors. Hey, there you go. Ooh, okay. So we have, wow. Actually, the reason why I really like this one and I'm excited to get this one actually is because there are mini. I love mini stuff right now. If you guys have seen my other video, how I mostly get so excited of all the minis. So, ta-da! Look at, they're really pretty. We have to try this next time, but I wanted to open it and to see it. So let's try. Let's open this. Excited. There. Look at that. It's so beautiful, guys. That's the color of this. Oh my god, this smells so good. You know what, guys? I'm going to remove my lipstick. I wanted to try it now. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Anyway. This is a lip gloss. It's so nice. It smells so good. Oh my god, I can't stop smelling. Let's try to the next one. See, I wasn't gonna try this one, guys. I wasn't gonna do a review for this one, but as the sooner that I open this one, it smells so good, so I have to try it. Next one, it's the Taffy Tees. This one is more like a orangey or something. I like it. It's very simple. You know, for those one that love just a lip gloss, looking for your lips, this one is actually the one. I like it. So you can wear this like during day, like, well, you can wear this like day or something. Just really nice, simple, natural looks on your lips. This is the one. Okay, next one, it is Baby Bird. You can wear something like, it's very simple. This one is very natural. It actually looks your natural lips. If you have this skin tone like I do, this one is just like your skin tone. Beautiful, guys. Oh my god, she did really good on her lip gloss. And you know what, what's great thing about this one, guys, is if you travel, this is a really nice to carry. You know, you don't have to worry about getting that whole size of lipstick into your mini bag. I love that. I love to carry like a small crossbody purse, so it's actually really great. Last one, this one is more like it's gonna have like a glitter looking, and this one is the Cake Shake, and it's like more brownies looking. That's the very end right here. This one, it is absolutely beautiful. All of this that she have in this mini limited edition that she have in her line, it's so worth it to have it, guys. So now we're opening this one. Look, you guys have to see this one. Look at this beautiful case. I mean, a bottle of this lipstick. It's just amazing. It's my favorite, but I think this is gonna be my favorite. 2021, I think this is gonna be the one and only. So, so this is unmatched, unrated, says long wear matte finish. This is the unrated. Let's see. So this is a beautiful purple dark color. I'm actually really like the way this color is, and it does dry right away. It has that beautiful feelings to it for this one. It is matte, but it's very light. It's something about it that I can't really explain, but if you guys had this already, you probably know what I'm talking about. This really has that fine feelings to it. But that is really pretty, guys. So let's move on to the next one. Next one, guys, this is a red color, and I think I'm gonna like this type of red. So that's the red on her lipstick. It's feeling really good. Like, I don't even feel like I have this dark lipstick on my lips. It's so light. So I have removed the red lipstick because I gotta try. This is the Gloss Balm Universal Lips Luminizer. I believe this is the full size. This is the full size. This is the mini. I feel like I'm gonna eat this. I just licked it. It smells so good. And then we have two mini. We only have one full size of her items. This is the Diamond Balm. This is all over. Can you guys see the glitter on it? So it's beautiful. It has that glitter. And then the next one, this is a blush. It's a Chicks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. Honestly, guys, on my skin tone, this is really good. She does have a different color in it over there. It's pretty. I like it. That is a cream one. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna carry this on my travel. Actually, this is a perfect travel size because they are mini. Wow. So we just tried an amazing product. Anyway, guys, if you are very simple, you just want a simple look into your travel plan, you just have to carry this one, and this. And if you're gonna go out in the evening, or you have something that you want to be bold on your lips, you have this amazing color, and you have that another amazing dark color. It's really worth it, guys, to have this one. I'm really impressed because I seen a lot of lipstick, and this is my first time using actually her lipsticks. I have her other stuff like her eyeliner, her eyeshadow. I have that one because so far it's just very close to me, but I never try her lipstick. This is my first time using it, and it's really worth it, and I love it. But anyway, those are my unboxing and review at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. Check it out. This go to FentyBeauty.com. It will be on the description on this video, so you guys can check it out. And if you already used her line, let me know what you think about it and what's your own opinion about, you know, her lipstick, so we can I can see what's your opinion onto that as well too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe because I'll be doing my mini giveaway actually, so you guys will be seeing on my community, will be posted in there. But thank you so much. Bye.